mind. You don't have to get all super jacked, but make sure you do something that's going to build you a little bit of discipline. Um, Upgrade your level of discernment. Learn how to deal with people and not engage with people who, you know what I mean, the energy don't feel or flow right back and forth. You have to learn how to wean those people out. So if you could get your health up, get your mind right, learn how to only, which is difficult, learn how to only keep good people around you.
Mm.
And then once you do that, you become an attraction magnet because you don't chase anything, things come to you. So
Mm.
you have to learn how to attract things rather than go and get things, right?
Mm.
What I mean by attraction, you set things up, you set a system up for a person to come into an automation to later buy something. So you set up the attraction in order for somebody to give you something later.
Mm. You touched on something that I think is something that is really hard in the moment. What would you say is the key, or I don't know if key is the right word, but to keeping the right people around you, or to setting friend groups, even for, seasons of life?
Okay, so that's not complicated at all, right? A lot of times, most people, we assume that everyone is just like the individual that we're walking in, right? So you have to not ignore when someone make you feel some kind of way. You can't ignore that. You feel it, whatever you feel, whatever went through your body, your mind, it was real.
Mm.
Don't ignore it. That's what I'm saying. The more you ignore it, the more you will have these feelings because it's going to keep happening. You have to cut it off as soon as it happens. That's
Mm.
how you find good people. Because if they don't do that, that's a good person. If there are people that's shifting you on the inside, they may not be good energy to be around. So you have to
Mm.
figure that out.
I love it. Thank you for that, for all your time today. For the people interested, whether in New York or people across the country looking to connect with you, where to find you?
I'm everywhere on social media at the Fire Alarm Expert, or you can catch me at Secured Securities on Facebook. But everywhere you can catch me, I'm